Daniel is laid up sick in bed today, so I'm going to install these rock lights onto his Jeep because he can't get out of bed. So he can't stop me. Now, I have never installed rock lights on a vehicle before, but I've done lighting and electrical, so I'm not super worried about it. I got this kit from Bly Auto on Amazon. It was a few $100, and it came with pretty much everything I need, I think. And he has these old rinky-dink lights under there, so we're gonna go ahead and replace those. As you can see from the overgrowth around the tires, we haven't been driving this car this much, but we're going to get it in a tip-top shape so we can start off-roading again, and maybe I'll get a new off-road vehicle. All right, first I'm gonna remove these lights with just a screwdriver, and they look pretty rough. That unscrewed, and now we just have to come through here and detach the wire. I'm probably just gonna cut it. Snippy snip. And it fell. With the old in with the new, this old one is like plastic and really, ugh. This new one that I got from Bly Auto, it's actually a metal housing. It's way nicer, and these are all LEDs, so I think it'll last longer and probably look better. So, and with all of the hardware and stuff, so I guess I just need to go find the right tool for this. Acquired. Did not already have rock lights installed, you would pretty much just measure those two holes and drill. It's not that hard. If you can't figure this out, probably don't tackle this project. Did that, and then immediately discovered that none of those holes are big enough, so we're gonna go ahead and drill them out now. Safety glasses, drill, Bauer power, and some white lithium grease for lubrication and to help with heat dissipation. Just gonna go right in. Use this. They're drilled out. All we have to do is pull the wire through and screw them in. Then the next thing to do is to run wires. Well, repeat that on all four corners or wherever you want to put the lights. This may look really cumbersome, but it's really just extra length. This is the only part you really need to be worried about. You've got your relay, you've got your inline fuse. None of that really matters. You shouldn't have to mess with that much. The only thing you need to mess with is your positive and negative. So we're going to go ahead and add a connector piece to that so we can attach it to the battery. Let me know in the comment section down below how you guys think this light kit off of Amazon is going to turn out, and hit that follow button for part 2.